Hello everybody, welcome back to Julian Chamberlain, and this is Gavin speaking. This is World's Strongest Engine 77, so please enjoy. Celebration Thomas versus Celebration Percy. Celebration Thomas, Celebration James versus Celebration Nia. Celebration Nia wins. Caitlin versus Connor. Connor pushed Caitlin off of the trucks and Connor wins. Charlie versus Doc. Draw. Doc wins. We're in round 2 now. So, it's Celebration Thomas versus Celebration Nia. Redo. Celebration Nia wins. Connor versus Doc. Oh, Doc's winning. And Doc wins. The final. Celebration Nia versus Doc. Celebration Nia wins. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.